Hello, friends. Welcome back to Word Search World, where we learn English while having fun exploring amazing topics. Today's theme is nature, the beautiful world around us. Nature is full of wonderful places, colors, and landscapes that make our planet special. Get ready to search carefully and discover today's nature words hidden in the puzzle. Here are the words you need to find. Tree tall plants with strong trunks and green leaves. Flower colorful plants that grow in gardens and fields. Like a large body of water surrounded by land. Grass the green plants that cover the ground in fields and parks. River water that flows across the land toward the sea. Mountain very tall land that rises high above the ground. Sky the wide blue space above us where clouds float. Rainwater that falls from clouds and helps plants grow. Forest a large area filled with many trees and wildlife. Stone a small piece of rock found in nature. Nature is beautiful and full of amazing places to explore. From mountains and rivers to forests and flowers, our planet is full of wonder. Now it's your turn. Can you find all these words hidden in the puzzle? Look carefully. Words might be hidden across, down, diagonally, or even backwards. Take your time, stay focused, and enjoy learning English while exploring nature. If you enjoy this word search, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new puzzle adventure. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for another fun English word search.